When considering whether to invest in Netchex, there are a few things you need to know before diving in. In this video, we'll walk through 7 key factors to keep in mind, so you can decide if this software is the right choice for your business. We're also going to compare it to its competitors, so by the end of the video, you'll have a clear idea of what's best for your needs. Stick around, because the last point might change the way you view this software completely. Let's get into it. The first thing you should know about Netchex is that it's an all-in-one HR solution. Unlike some other platforms that only focus on payroll or benefits management, Netchex covers everything from employee management to compliance, payroll processing, and reporting. This means you don't have to juggle multiple tools to get your HR tasks done. It's one integrated solution, which is a huge time saver. Compared to competitors like Gusto or ADP, Netchex gives you a more tailored approach to HR tasks, offering the flexibility to grow with your business. Next thing to consider, the ease of use. Netchex's interface is designed to be user-friendly. Unlike some of its competitors, which can feel cluttered or complicated, Netchex has a clean dashboard that makes navigation straightforward. Whether you're setting up new hires or running payroll, the system's intuitive design helps prevent errors and ensures that even users with minimal HR experience can get things done quickly. That said, its simplicity doesn't mean a lack of features. Netchex strikes a balance between usability and powerful tools, making it a great choice for small to mid-sized businesses. The third thing to know is the mobile accessibility. Netchex offers a robust mobile app, which is something you won't always get with other HR solutions. If your business has employees who need to clock in and out, view their schedules, or manage their personal information on the go, this is a game changer. The app integrates seamlessly with the web platform, so employees can access what they need wherever they are. This feature is particularly useful for businesses with remote teams, unlike other platforms that might require extra steps or third-party integrations to make mobile work. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Netchex's customer support. One of the standout features of Netchex is its strong customer service. They provide 24/7 support, and they are often praised for their responsiveness and knowledge. This is a big advantage when compared to platforms like ADP, where some users report slower response times or frustration with automated systems. Having access to knowledgeable support when you need it makes a significant difference, especially when it comes to complex payroll issues or compliance concerns. Next thing to consider, pricing. Netchex offers a more transparent pricing structure compared to some competitors. With other HR solutions, pricing can sometimes be hidden or based on complicated tier systems. Netchex makes it clear what you're getting for the price, and you can scale your plan based on the number of employees, which allows for more flexibility. If you're comparing it to something like Gusto or Paychex, you'll find that Netchex is relatively competitive, especially when it comes to the level of service and features they provide at each price point. The sixth thing to know is how Netchex handles compliance. With ever-changing labor laws, staying compliant can be a nightmare. Netchex helps mitigate this by offering real-time updates and notifications about relevant compliance changes, which can be a major time saver. This is especially helpful when compared to other HR platforms, which might require manual research to stay updated. Netchex's automatic updates and alerts keep you on top of things like tax law changes and state regulations, so you don't have to worry about falling out of compliance. Lastly, if you're wondering about integration, Netchex offers a wide range of integrations with third-party tools. Whether you're using accounting software or other business management tools, Netchex makes it easy to sync your data across platforms. This is a big benefit over some competitors that offer limited integrations, which can force you to do double work or introduce the risk of human error. If you want to test out Netchex for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You can try it for free and get access to exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, is Netchex the right HR software for your business? It's a strong contender, especially when you factor in its comprehensive features, mobile access, customer support, and ease of use. But the only way to know for sure is to give it a try. Click the link below to access the best free trial and see how Netchex can streamline your HR processes today.